This one wasn't easy to admit, but growth never is. Listen. I used to wear my pride like armor on my chest. Thought being strong, man, I never confessed. I kept my wounds hidden, smile through the strain. Told myself I'm good while I'm drowning in pain. I wanted respect, I wanted control. Didn't know surrender was good for my soul. I pushed people away just to prove I was fine. Didn't realize ego was wasting my time. God kept knocking, I kept locking the door. Thought I knew better, thought I needed no more. But every time I failed, I blamed everything else. Never started to look in the mirror myself. I've been holding on too tight, trying to win every fight. But please don't come with being right. It come when I let go tonight.
I'm putting my pride aside. Laying my weapons down. I don't gotta always fight. God got me now. I'm putting my pride aside.
Putting my pride aside.
Letting His love decide.
Letting His love decide.
I don't need to be in control
To know
I'll be alright.
I used to think asking for help was weak. Now I know strength come when you speak. I carry burdens I was never meant to hold. Tried to play grown before my heart was whole. I wanted grace but wouldn't give it back. Wanted mercy but stayed on attack. God checked me gently, said look inside. You asking me to hear what you keep feeding with pride. I lost moments trying to prove a point. Lost peace chasing every disappointment. Now I choose growth over winning debates. I'd rather be healed than dominate. If you gotta humble me, then humble me right. If I gotta be still, I'll wait on your light. Take this weight, take this fight. I trust you more than my own
Putting
self.
my pride aside. Laying my weapons down. I don't gotta always fight. God got me now. I'm putting my pride aside.
Letting my pride aside.
Letting His love decide.
Letting His love decide.
I don't need to be in control
To know
I'll be alright.
Yeah, now I listen more than I speak. Learn patience, make you strong, not weak. Yeah, I'm a tired just when I'm wrong. Even when my ego say hold on. I don't need to be seen as the toughest in the room. God working in silence, that's power too. If it costs my peace, I let it go. If it feed my pride, I tell it no. I'd rather walk humble and sleep at night than be loud, defensive, and live in the fight. This growth uncomfortable, but it's real. God breaking me gently so I can heal. I ain't losing myself, I'm finding me when I put my pride aside. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta step back and look at your life like, who am I doing this for? I've been losing sleep, chasing validation, trying to please the world, lost my own creation. Mirror talking back, asking what I'm facing. Is it really love or just admiration? Had to take a break from the noise outside. Too many opinions had me switching sides. I was running fast, but I lost my stride. Now I'm looking inward, trying to realign. Used to think success was a bigger chain, or a louder crowd screaming out my name. But the deeper truth hit me through the pain. If you don't know yourself, it's a hollow game. Yeah. I remember days I would doubt my worth, comparing my path, felt like I was cursed. But growth ain't linear, that's what I learned. Sometimes you gotta fall just to feel rebirth. Now I'm focused on myself. Had to find my peace, I needed help. I did. All the pressure weighing on my mental health. Now I'm learning how to love myself. I'm focused on my soul. I don't need the world to make me whole. Walking my path, I'm taking control. Finally feeling like I'm in my zone. I cut off distractions, it hurt, but it's real. Some people ain't meant for the life that you build. They love when you down, but hate when you hear. That's a different type of pain you just gotta conceal. I had to sit with my thoughts in silence, face all my fears. No more hiding, growth comes slow, but it's perfect timing. Even dark nights got a silver lining. Mama told me, son, just trust your way. Even when the sky turning dark to gray, every storm you face gon' make you break. Every loss you take, just the price you pay. Now I'm writing letters to my past self, saying thank you for the scars you felt. You the reason I can stand this tall. You the reason I ain't folded off. I'm focused on myself. Had to find my peace, I needed help. I did. All the pressure weighing on my mental health. Now I'm learning how to love myself. I'm focused on my soul. I don't need a world to make me whole. Walking my path, I'm taking control. Finally feeling like I'm in my zone. It's funny how the silence get loud when you alone and ain't nobody around. You hear your truth, no filter, no sound. That's when you rise or you drown. I stopped chasing things that don't align. Started protecting my peace and my time. Learned every no is a hidden sign, pointing me back to a better design. I ain't in a race, I'm running my pace. Took me a while just to find my place. Now I look back and embrace the chase. Every mistake helped me build this base. They see the glow but don't see the fight. Late nights praying, asking for light. Battling demons deep in my mind. Still I stand strong, I'm winning inside. If nobody clapping, I clap for me. If nobody see it, I still believe. Cause self-love really the highest key. Unlock your soul, set your spirit free. Now I'm focused on myself. Had to find my peace, I needed help. Yeah, all the pressure weighing on my mental health. Now I'm finally loving myself. I'm focused on my soul. I don't need the world to make me whole. Now walking my path, I'm taking control. Finally feeling like I'm in my zone. Sometimes you gotta lose everything just to find yourself again. And that's okay. Yeah. I don't even talk to nobody no more. It's like I just be in my head all day. Deep breath.
Deep breath, deep breath, deep breath.
I've been having conversations with myself lately. Ain't nobody else really understand me. I got people around but it feel empty. Same room, still feel like they ain't with me. I remember nights I was broke, no lights. Now I got money, I still can't sleep at night. Funny how it changed, I got everything I wanted, but it don't feel like I thought it would. Honest, ain't complaining, I'm just saying how I feel. I done seen so much, it don't feel real. Lost people on the way, I still think about them. Made it out the hood, but I still dream about it. It's like I'm stuck in between who I was and who I am. Trying to balance all this pressure, I don't think they understand. I've been talking to myself, trying to figure it all out. Made it out, but I still feel lost. Even when I'm up right now, I got family depending on me, that's pressure. Every move that I make gotta be better. Can't slip, can't fall, can't mess up. Feel like the weight of the world on my chest, yeah. They see the wins, they don't see the cost. All the pain that I took, all the times I was lost. Smile through it, I ain't show it. Deep down, I was fighting emotions. I don't trust like I used to. Seen love turn fake, I had to keep my distance, play careful. Everybody close ain't there for you. Yeah, and I know I changed, I admit that. Pain did that, I ain't picked that. Life hit hard, I just hit back. But it left scars, I still feel that. I've been talking to myself. Late nights don't mean nobody, even when I'm winning now. Feel like something still missing. Sometimes I sit back and think about the old me. Wish I could tell them just wait, you gon' be free. But I ain't know it come with this weight. All this money don't fix this pain. I lost parts of me on the way up. Had to let go just to stay up. Now I'm here but I don't feel whole. Still trying to find what I lost. I ain't perfect, I'm just human. Still got wounds, I'm still bruising. Still got nights I feel useless. Even with everything moving, I guess this what it come with. When you turn pain into something, you win, but you lose something too. And they don't tell you that part. Made it out, yeah. But I don't know. It just feels different.
I've been talking to myself.
Silence.
I've been talking to myself.
It's like I just be in my head all day.
Deep breath, deep fades in.
I've been having conversations with myself lately. Ain't nobody else really understand me. I got people around, but it feel empty. Same room, still feel like they ain't with me. I remember nights I was broke, no lights. Now I got money, I still can't sleep at night. Funny how it changed, I got everything I wanted, but it don't feel like I thought it would, honest. I ain't complaining, I'm just saying how it feel. I done seen too much, it don't feel real. Lost people on the way, I still think about. Made it out the hood, but I still dream about it. It's like I'm stuck in between who I was and who I am. Tryna balance all this pressure, I don't think they understand.
I've been talking to myself.
Yeah, tryna figure it all out. Oh, made it out, but I
Still feel lost.
even when I'm up right now. Yeah, I got family depending on me, that's pressure. Every move that I make gotta be better. Can't slip, can't fall, can't mess up. Feel like the weight of the world on my chest, yeah. They see the wins, they don't see the cost. All the pain that I took, all the times I was lost. Smile through it, I ain't show it. Deep down I was fighting emotions I don't trust like I used to. Seen love turn fake, I had to keep my distance, play it careful. Everybody close ain't there for you, and I know I changed, I admit that. Pain did that, I ain't picked that. Life hit hard, I just hit back, but it left scars, I still feel that.
I've been talking to myself.
Late nights, I don't need nobody.
Even when I'm winning now.
Feel like something still missing. Sometimes I sit back and think about the whole me. Wish I could tell him just wait, you gon' be free. But I ain't know it come with this weight. All this money don't fix this pain. I lost parts of me on the way up. Had to let go just to stay up. Now I'm here but I don't feel whole. Still trying to find what I lost. Ain't perfect, I'm just human. Still got wounds, I'm still bruised in. Still got nights I feel useless. Even with everything moving, I guess this what it come with. When you turn pain into something, you win, but you lose something too. And they don't tell you that part out. I made it out, yeah, but I don't know. It just feel different.
Deep breath, silence.
Stay right here, don't move. We don't gotta say it. Feel it in the room. Everything's fading. Stay right here, come close. We don't need a reason. Use it nice and slow. Let me feel you breathing. Lights low, no sound, only you right now. We don't gotta talk, we just let it drown. Every second stretch, every moment stays. How we in between night and yesterday. Shadows on your skin, moving with the light. Everything we feel, sitting in the stay right here, don't move. We don't gotta say it, feel it in the room. Everything's fading, stay right here, come close. We don't need a reason, losing nice and slow. Let me feel you breathing. Yeah. Hands move slow pace, I can feel your space. You don't say a word, but I read your face. Every little shift, every breath you take, pull me deeper in every move you make. We don't don't stop the time, we just let it slide. Somewhere in this moment, we don't gotta hide. Ooh, if we stay like this, we don't need to leave. If we let it drip, we don't need to speak. Every second slow, every feeling grows. We don't gotta know where it's gonna go. Stay right here, don't move. We don't gotta say it, feel it in the room. Everything's faded, stay right here, come close. We don't need a reason, losing nice and slow. Let me feel you breathing.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together.
Yo, chat, what's up, man? How we doing? What's up, Snipe Trader, Roby, Rosaline? How you guys doing? Good morning, everybody. How we doing? Good morning, chat. Good morning. What's up? How we doing, chat? How we doing, man? What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? What's up? Shout out to 8 viewers right now. What we got here on price? Daily's pushing through. Retesting the lows. Oh, it's close bullish. All right. Let's do a top-down analysis here on price. So we expect that closure bullish, right? Because we are in the support level. We're still sitting on the support level. And as you can see, still the resistance above here, 4,200 area. And right now, how many pip we move? Move 400 pips, decent. So we're expecting here to flip bullish. Maybe, yeah. There's a high chance that we can probably grab the wick fill for the day here now, right? So let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour, as you can see, we almost filled the gap because the gap is a little big here. This is the gap, we have gap here, the candle closure there, and had massive gap, almost filled the gap here yesterday. But yeah, so didn't push through. We had resistance. We create a new resistance form, and we have minor levels here that needs to be aware of, and the overall range is this. So we are sitting on the minor levels. We are in the 600 pip range in the 4-hour time frame. Hourly, hourly, as you can see, we have a support level sitting right here, and resistance above. So we are still rebroking the lows, and the hourly is about to close in 4 minutes here. Let's see what will happen here, because we have a clean range on the left hand side. Look at this. We have a resistance, minor levels, support, and clean. And we have still clean range going up here today. So let's see if we can move up. Oh, we are printing side by side on the 30 minutes time frame, 15. Yeah. So, yeah, man. Printing shenanigans here today. So we respect this area. We're gonna use this as support level. And Resistance is above here. Any close, we still have a range. Decent. 63 pips. Still have range here. So let's see. All right, 2 minutes for a candle to close. 100. Oh, how many pips? We're ranging here. 120 pips. Yeah, so later tonight we got a news. We have PPI and Wars Testify, 6 p.m. All right, so we're Gucci now. We are Gucci. 2 minutes for a candle to close. Two minutes for a candle to. Let's see. To be honest, I like some buys here today, but I'm open for sells too because we still have clean range, I guess. The clean, this one is not clean. The clean is below here. Yeah, but it might take time. But buying is probably good here for the day. Let's see. A minute for a candle to close. A minute. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Any questions? All right, still pushing bearish here. Yeah, can't do anything here, chat, on price. As you can see, I want to take sales here today too, but a lot of wicks on the left hand side. The price can tops in and react heavy. Right, the four is melting down here. The hourly are pushing through, and the 30 is pushing through. But let's see. The 30 is kind of printing side by side here. Printing side by side. The printing side by side. Oh, what happened? OBS disconnection. before. Oh, unhealthy air quality in Business Bay. Holy, look at that. Though my PC is like an AI here. Semifinals. Oh, World Cup coverage as Spain won yesterday. And semifinals, England versus Argentina. Okay. All right, so we're flipping bullish here. I like this idea here, but we need to see a closure here, chat. We need to see this kind of closure. So weak bearish, and we can probably set a buy stop on the rebroke of the high and probably move up here, fill the range on the left hand side today. But still 11 minutes for the candle to close, so we need to wait. Gotta wait, we gotta wait. Mhm. Shout out to 17 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Welcome to the YouTube live stream. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. 9 minutes for a candle to close. Damn, choppy price actions today. Core PPI later tonight. Wars testify 6 p.m. FOMC member cooks picks. 5 minutes for a candle to close. Yeah, we close bearish below the range. Doo, 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 doo. Yeah, still closing below the range here. Still melting. Might push 3984 today, huh? Damn, Goldie. Goldie. Robius, how you doing, man? Long time, bro. How we doing? How we doing? How you doing, Robius? Roby. The DJ is jobbing. How's the funny account going? The DJ is jobbing. It's already 4 p.m. in Philippines right now, right? So you're almost um, going out of work. So working at the office. 5 p.m. is you're out, right? So yeah. Gonna hop on London session, gonna hop on NY session. So how's your funny account, Roby? Oh, you're in drawdown? Yeah, man. It's okay, bro. You know, part of funded trader drawdown and blowing a funded account. It's part. It's part. It's part, and you just need to, survive and find the mistakes, sort things out. Nobody's perfect in this trading industry, so we just need to, we just need to control what we can control. In trading, what we can control, we cannot control the wins in trading. How much you made, how even you made 1,000, 2,000, 5K, 10K in a day. You can't control those wins, but the thing that we can control is the lows, the else, the how much else that we can, take per day. And yeah. And for me, I always, take 1 to 2 trades a day. And if I take L's, 2 L's in a day, and that's it. I call it a day. Maximum 3% of my account L's, and yeah, recover it for a week or two. That's trading. You cannot recover the L's that you took in a day. You cannot recover that in one day, in one trade. It's really hard, because you're chasing, right? That's the problem. wherein you, let's say you take 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 else in a day, you cannot recover that the next day in one trade. No, minimum take 5 trades for me to recover else, or 4 trades. It depends. It depends on what the markets gives me, right? Because if you're, if you wanna take it back in one trade, that means you are not following your rules now, because you're chasing the money. You're chasing that in one trade. Doesn't make sense. So remember, gang, every trades that you took every single day should make sense, right? Should make sense. If the trade doesn't make sense, the meaning of that is you are gambling. You gamble your money. You're not gonna learn, and it's not gonna sustain long term. Believe me. Been here. I've been here in trading for coming 3 years, and two years of the journey is really hard. It's really hard for me because I need to find the edge that's gonna suits to me. I need to find solutions that gonna suits to me, right? I need to find those answers. Why I'm not, why I'm not become profitable, right? And somehow you're going to stock in break even stage, and those break even stage barriers really hard to pass through, because you're still in the pace of between learning and earning pace. So yeah, but it's just one thing that I remember is you just need to, focus on what you can control, which is in trading is the else, the lose, how much you're taking lose every single day, right? And yeah, still here, learning every single day, showing in the stream, even no one is watching, I'm gonna show up in the stream, right? Taking trades here and there and dropping, gems here and there, and right, should be grateful, should be grateful every single day, right? Be happy, enjoy the life that you wanted. That's it. That's trading for me, right? I can wake up what time I want, and I can do whatever I want. Truly blessed. It's just a matter of time, gang. If you are still in the learning phase, just take your time. But if you are in 3 years in trading, 4 years, and you haven't seen results, it's just a matter of time. Somehow needs to wait for timing. The timing, the timing that we got. Just stay true to the process, and you're gonna see results on the way. If you haven't seen light outside of the tunnel, just keep going, bro. Right? Been there. I was, uh, 1 year and a half back, I was broke. I don't know what to do, and I haven't find the solution how to become profitable. But I stay composed to the process, stay composed to myself, and yeah, somehow I see the small light outside the tunnel, and keep going. Right now, I'm here. And if you guys gonna ask yourself why I need to change, you don't need to change, right? You don't need to change, right? You just need to move every single what's gonna, what's the plan, what's the rules, what's my purpose every single. You just need to move, right? You're gonna move, right? Because no one's gonna saves you. No one's gonna saves you here, man. In trading, you versus you. You cannot I cannot figure out things for you. You just gonna you're the one that gonna figure out things. And trading is really hard, man. Trading is really hard, bro. Trading is really hard. You know, some of the people might lose a lot of money selling cars, selling properties to fund their, trading stuffs because, they're still chasing money into the market. They're just still gambling, man. That's tough. So, chat, if you guys, you guys still haven't seen results for a year, 2 years, 3 years now, man, taps in, you need to tap. You need to tap the people that has a results already and follow them. When I start trading, when I start, figure out things, I just follow the people that has a result. So that's pretty, tricky, right? That's the cheat code. You need to follow the people that has a results already. And you know, you don't need to ask them like, you just need to figure out, is this the people, is this the mentor that I'm going to follow with, like the lifestyle that he has, like what he's doing every single day. He's working out every single day, right? He's do what he want every single day. He's consistent every single day. Follow the people that has every result, that you want it. What's up, Ryan? How you doing, Ryan? All right. Fake out again, chat. We gotta fake out here. If this candle close above, back in a range, yeah, we might got some today in 8 minutes here. You gotta move. You gotta move. When you walk to a dark tunnel, just follow someone. This stream knows the way. Yeah, true that, man. W's in the chat. W row B. W. W row B. All right, 30 minutes looks clean here to move up. Arlie is gonna push. The 4 hours gonna push. That's gonna be the daily bottom wick. Daily bottom wick. Let's see, let's see, let's see. All right, 5 minutes here for a candle to close. Spreads a little bit wider today. Holy was that spread? 5 pip? 5 pip spread. Damn. Doo-doo. Shout out to 25 viewers right now. Chat, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. Like and subscribe, gang. 2 minutes for a candle to close. We need the top wick here, chat. We need the top wick. No top wick. Oh, no top wick closure, gang. Would you look at that? Yeah, I mean 30, 15 kind of look clean to move up, but there's no top wick closure here. We cannot do anything on the no top wick closure. I cannot do anything here, chat. So I'm expecting to close. So minimum this candle close bearish with a small body of the candle. So can have a buy stop on the rebroke or this kind of closure bullish, right? Bullish with the wick at least and still the same. Bottom wick and should drive to move up, but no top wick closure here. Yeah, no top wick, but let's see. Might move up here. Might move up, but no top wick. So cannot do anything. We cannot, but still gonna sit with our hands today. Sit with the hands waiting. We gotta wait. We gonna wait today. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Who's on buy right now, chat? Who's on buy here? Let me know in the chat. Who took some buy on the open of the candle? Mhm. No topping, no buy. Yeah, true that. No top wick, no buy here. 3 minutes. Mm, 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 mm. Yup, yup, yup. There's gonna be a bottom wick to move up now. Yeah. Rico, how you doing? Yeah, move just 30 pips. Yeah. No good. For no top wick closure. Back to where we were yesterday. Yeah. I mean, the CPI pops. So retest again. Now let's see if we can retest the daily wick fill here or the daily gap. We still have gap here that needs to be filled. Let's see because we're pretty bearish on the higher time frame here. Look at this. Weekly still bearish. Well, we're tapping the support. So we still have 2 days and 13 hours for this candle to close. So let's see. NFP, it's like same move on NFP, right? 700 pops. Look at this, man. Holy, I think 1 minute candle pops big. Yeah. Look at that. Damn. Right, 600 pip pops. Holy. 1 second TP and revise one low on the news. Really? Holy. How much you got there yesterday? How much the profit, Rico? $600 man. W. Yeah, man. Almost filled the range. On the live. Oh, nice. W. Yeah, on the early pushing through. Kind of moving slow. Yeah, man. Feel the range here, chat. We feel the range. Feeling it, feeling it. For our close bearish. Oh, weak bearish. Might retest this 4017 again. And yeah. Chat. So yeah, man. Nothing here again for us, I guess. So yeah, we wait. This is the tradable candle already, right? But I am expecting that, top wick on the 30 minutes time frame, but it didn't happen, didn't create any steeper, at least like this top wick, so we can enter a buy on the rebroke of the high. But it's all okay, you know. Cannot force anything today, and yeah, probably on tomorrow. It's Thursday. Let's see, we have news tomorrow. No news tomorrow, so pretty much good idea again tomorrow. And the Friday, no news. Yeah, man, chat. So yeah, if you guys gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have a stop loss. And yeah, man, don't over risk, chat. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love, everybody. Love and wisdom to you all. I'm out here, gang.
This one wasn't easy to admit, but growth never is. Listen. I used to wear my pride like armor on my chest. Thought being strong, man, I never confessed. I kept my wounds hidden, smile through the strain. Told myself I'm good while I'm drowning in pain. I wanted respect, I wanted control. Didn't know surrender was good for my soul. I pushed people away just to prove I was fine. Didn't realize ego was wasting my time. God kept knocking, I kept locking the door. Thought I knew better, thought I needed no more. But every time I fail, I blamed everything else. Never start to look in the mirror myself. I've been holding on too tight, trying to win every fight. But please don't come with being right. They come when I let go tonight.
I'm putting my pride aside, laying my weapons down. I don't gotta always fight. God got me now. I'm putting my pride aside,
Putting my pride aside,
letting His love decide.
letting His love decide.
I don't need to be in control
To know,
I'll be alright.
yeah. I used to think asking for help was weak. Now I know strength come when you speak. I carry burdens I was never meant to hold. Try to play grown before my heart was whole. I wanted grace but wouldn't give it back. Wanted mercy but stayed on attack. God checked me gently, said look inside. You asking me to hear what you keep feeding with pride. I lost moments trying to prove a point. Lost peace chasing every disappointment. Now I choose growth over winning debates. I'd rather be healed than dominate. If you gotta humble me, then humble me right. If I gotta be still, I'll wait on your light. Take this weight, take this fight. I trust you more than my own
Putting
self.
my pride aside, laying my weapons down. I don't gotta always fight. God got me now. I'm putting my pride aside,
Letting my pride aside,
letting His love decide.
letting His love decide.
I don't need to be in control
To know,
I'll be alright.
yeah. Now I listen more than I speak. Learn patience, make you strong, not weak. Yeah, I'm a tired judge when I'm wrong. Even when my ego say hold on. I don't need to be seen as the toughest in the room. God working in silence, that's power too.